Hello, sir.
Hello.
So we have a subscriber who's asking us that a conventional implant loading time is usually 3 months, but you have mentioned in your earlier videos that it's also possible to do it before 3 months. That is to give the crown on top of the implant in less than 3 months. How is this possible?
Okay, so that's a very good question. Yes, of course, the conventional loading time is 3 months time. So what we mean by those conventional loading time is when we put the implants in the bone, we have new bone that surrounds the implants, and then that process is called osseointegration. The typical time is 3 months time. So you are right, the conventional loading time is 3 months time. So after that, we give tooth on top of the implants for us to chew well and function well. So as I mentioned, this process of osseointegration or this process of loading can be fastened because of few important steps which can happen. One depends on the implant. So what do I mean by depending on the implant? The newer implants that are coming are shaped in such a way that when we place those implants in the bone, there is more amount of bone that covers the implant. That is one. Two, those implants are also coated with certain special materials which causes more rapid bone formation to happen around those implants. So these are the two important things. One, the shape of the implant is shaped in such a way it engages more amount of bone, and also the implant is coated with some special materials which helps us more of osseoconduction, it's called. It helps more bone to form around those implants. So these two criteria are met, the implant per se is known as something that is ready for immediate loading. The second most important criteria what we need to consider is the patient's own bone. So even though the implant is ready for immediate loading, we should also understand, check how the patient's bone condition is, what is the quality of bone, what is the quantity of bone. If the quality and the quantity of bone is very abundant and very adequate amount of implant can be engaged in the bone, then both the criteria are met. That is, in terms of implant characteristics and in terms of bone characteristics also, it is favorable for us to give a tooth immediately on the implant. How soon can we give? For the front teeth, we can even give teeth almost immediately. When I say immediately, within 48 hours to 36 hours we can give a tooth, and sometime or even within 3 weeks time we will be able to load the implants. I hope this answers the question. If there are any other questions, please do ask in the comment section below. We will be happy to answer. Until next time, this is Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry. Bye bye and thank you.
வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருக்கா லைக் பட்டன் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் ஐகான் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. இந்த மாதிரி வீடியோஸ் உங்களுக்கு வரும். Thank you.